Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Venmo login problems, account and security errors step by step clearly. Check that your internet connection is stable by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Confirm Venmo is not down by checking the official Venmo status page or their social media updates. Update the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play to the latest version. Restart your phone completely to clear temporary system glitches. Turn on automatic date and time in your phone settings to avoid security validation errors. Disable any VPN or proxy because Venmo may block suspicious network locations. Open Venmo and carefully re-enter your email or phone number without extra spaces. Double-check your password and make sure caps lock is off if you type on a keyboard. If you forgot the password, tap Forgot Password and follow the reset link from Venmo. Check your email inbox and spam folder for the Venmo reset email or security code. If you use SMS verification, confirm your phone can receive texts and has signal. Try logging in from another device to determine whether the issue is device-specific. Clear the Venmo app cache on Android or reinstall the app on iPhone to refresh app data. On iPhone, offload and reinstall the app, or delete and reinstall to remove corrupted files. Make sure your device operating system is updated to the newest supported version. Review your phone's security settings and allow Venmo needed permissions like network access. If you see account temporarily locked, wait the required time and avoid repeated attempts. If you suspect your account is restricted, open Venmo support and look for any alerts in app. Verify your identity details in Venmo if prompted, because security checks can block login. Check that your email address is verified by opening the verification message from Venmo. If you change your phone number, update it through Venmo settings or contact support for help. Remove saved passwords in your password manager and resave the correct Venmo credentials. Try logging in on the Venmo website to confirm whether the problem is only in the app. If you get security error or something went wrong, switch networks and try again after a few minutes. Enable two-factor authentication if available, then store backup codes in a safe place. Scan your device for malware and remove suspicious apps that could trigger security blocks. Contact Venmo support from the Help Center and provide the exact error message and your account email. Do not share your code or password with anyone, because support will never ask for it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.